din. Nasa screen na ako. Pero yes, as you can see, it's kind of mess pa right now. And we are still trying to slowly unpack everything and slowly settle down. So, sa likod ng camera, there are a lot of boxes pa to fix. But yeah, eto, medyo na-organize ko na siya ng konti yung kitchen kasi nga ito yung priority namin as of now kasi we have to cook our foods, napakagasto kumain sa labas or mag-take out and magpa-deliver. So, I made sure na inuna ko talaga yung kitchen. And some of the things is magulo pa, but we are like trying our best. Yes, lumipat na tayo ng apartment, pero still, I will still vlog for you guys. Just let me know if what else do you want to know about here, because I will share it with you. Hopefully, kahit malayo yung camera, naririnig nyo pa rin ako. And yes, hindi na kami naka-video, pero last Friday, or yung Biyernes Santo, is nagluto si Tin ulit ng suman. So, ayun. Suman siya for us in Visayas, but I'm not sure what is it called in like other parts of the Philippines. Pero yes. Yeah, it's so good. Pero I will stop myself na kasi baka maubos ko siya. And we have Subway from yesterday. Hindi ko naubos. Hello! May paano pa tayo? So for today's video is pupunta kami ng Footscray Market. And yes, it's a palengke wet market. And it's... I'm not sure if it's nearer to us compared to the other market that we always go to. Pero yes, I would like to share it with you as well. Yes, hopefully, kasi sabi nila mas mura doon. Hopefully, yes, it is mura compared to like other or to the grocery store. But I will share it with you. I'll bring this camera. Okay, see you! So, we are currently in the train. So, papunta kami sa market and train yung sinasakyan. Anong pasik? Yes. And, ha? Yes. Pero late na. I don't know. Sana may maabutan pa ako doon. Pero yes. Dapat pala morning tayo pumunta. looking good. Nut. Jackfruit. Malunggay. Bangus. Fruits and vegetables side. Look at this. Is it really dahon ng kamote? Oh my gosh, I'm super sweet potato leaves. Found it. And I think this is... What is this thing? Books. Finally found my favorite saluyot and my favorite sweet potato leaves or dahon ng kamote. Perfect. I'm so happy. My heart is so happy. Wait, din, sigarilyas. This market is so complete. I love this. Even if it's away from us, I really want to go here. Oh my gosh, this is my market. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is calamansi. And it's called I don't know what it's called, I can't see. Yeah, oh my god, calamansi. Well, it's mostly luto na, pero there are some na green pa. So, pinili namin yung konting may green pa. Oh my gosh, this is really my market. Lahat-lahat ng gusto kong kainin nandito. Hello, hello!
We got kuchinta and puto. I know we can make it as well at home, pero yeah.
Hello! Hello guys! So, kakauwi lang namin. Nagbiyahe kami ng ilang minutes to like go to a market. It's called Footscray Market. I know mostly of the Filipinos here in Australia or here in Melbourne or here in Victoria knows Footscray Market already. But first time kasi namin pumunta dun kanina, and we are so happy sa mga nakita naming pwedeng bilhin doon na like meron din sa Pilipinas. Yeah, and we are so excited. And then meron pa siyang Filipino store sa it's Asian store inside the market, and meron ding Asian store outside the market. So, marami talaga kaming napamili. As you can see, nasiraan pa kami ng cart sa dami ng pinamili namin. And this one will last 2 to 3 weeks na. So, kasi hindi siya ganun kalapit sa amin. So, we need to travel. Lalo na commute. It's so hard for us to commute. So, we need to travel going there. So, medyo for 2 to 3 weeks na siya, right? Like, try namin pabutin ng 3 weeks, pero yeah. Ano na, ang wholesale. Ano tawag doon? Like, tingog. Parang para isahan na lang yun. Eto, and share ko siya sa inyo, of course! So, di ba? Hindi na makikita. But unahin ko na itong mga frozen kasi ibalak pa siya. And, share ko lang din, we didn't buy seafoods. We didn't buy seafoods now. Ngayon, hindi kami nakapibili ng seafoods. Pero meron kami mga fish and yeah, pakita sa inyo. And first kong gustong i-share sa inyo is ang calamansi. And medyo nag-hoard kami kasi nga, oh my gosh, it's been a while since we taste calamansi. So yes, most especially Tim kasi I've been to Philippines twice na for the last 2 years. Pero si Tim, hindi pa siya nakauwi for a while. So nakakamiss daw yung lasa ng calamansi. And yes, iba yung pangalan niya. Lalagay ko sa screen nyo. And nandyan naman sa video. Pero yes, of course, hindi mawawala ang calamansi. And tamang-tama. Marami kaming nakita doon. Really surprised us. It's so funny. But yeah, bumili kami ng pork. Pork belly lang siya. And then, alam nyo yung pinaka-the best of all the best is meron silang milkfish. Yes, you heard me right. Bangus talaga sis. Kaya binili talaga namin dalawa na agad kasi gosh, hindi siya frozen. It's like bangus. Oh my gosh. So ayun, dalawang bangus. Pinalinis mo ba ito, Tin? This is cleaned already. Yeah, they clean as well. And bumili lang kami ng chicken thigh. And then chicken wings para like supply lang kung may mga lulutuin kami or prito or pang mabilis na luto and everything. So yun yung pinamili namin na like yung mga ano ba tawag doon? Frozen cherries. Of course, meron din kaming gulay. Of course, bumili na rin kami nitong onions, spring onions and string beans. And eto, kasi nga meron kaming chicken thigh na pwede namin i-oven. So, bumili kami ng ano nga ito, Tin? Tanglad? I don't know kung ano tawag dito sa...
Lemongrass.
It's lemongrass, but I'm not sure kung anong tawag. Tanglad din yata ito sa Tagalog, di ba? Yeah, tanglad, of course, hindi mawawala yan. Perfect. Yung inasal, pag may tanglad. And of course, yung sili na mahaba. And then, what else do we have? More calamansi. Of course, we bought eggs as well. This is 2 dozen. Jumbo 2 dozen egg na jumbo, $10. And of course, since nandun na rin kami sa Filipino store and matagal-tagal na rin kami hindi nakakain ito, medyo pricey nga lang siya. Pero like, try lang namin kasi nakaahon si Tin sa hirap for this week. So, bumili kami ng tocino and ng chorizo. Yes, I know our parents will comment something in this video, pero yes, ngayon lang. Ulit kami makakatikim dito. So, lagay ko na dito. What else? And this is the best part. Kasi, yes, I feel like napapanood nyo ng at this moment yung video ko na punta kami sa Kensington na Balikbayan store. And nakita namin doon na merong saluyot na frozen, merong sili na frozen, sili leaves na frozen, and may malunggay na frozen. Tama? Yes. And then, sabi ko, yung kulang na lang talaga is dahon ng kamote kasi walang dahon ng kamote dito. Pero may sweet potato dito. And it's so funny kasi nakikinig talaga yung universe sa akin. Hindi ko alam. But yes, nakakita kami ng walang dahon ng saluyot, of course. Pero meron sila frozen. Pero ito, hindi siya frozen. Like fresh dahon ng saluyot. Pero hindi ako nakakita ng malunggay kanina, right? Hindi kami nakakita ng malunggay. I'm not sure if because it's not season or what. Kasi autumn na, pa-winter na. So maybe because of that, I'm not sure. Pero meron silang saluyot, sis. Meron talaga, sis. And nakikinig ang universe sa bulong-bulong ko kasi meron din silang sweet potato leaves, yung dahon ng kamote. So ngayon pwede na kaming bumili ng isda na masarap sa bawan, and then lalagyan lang namin ng dahon ng kamote, and then tomato, and then onion, and perfect. Oh my gosh. So of course, hindi talaga namin pinalampas kasi super shocked talaga kami, and I'm so happy na finally merong mga ganung gulay doon. Pero I didn't see malunggay. Pero sa other market na binibilhan namin, merong malunggay doon for $3 per kilo. Pero yung binibili ko doon is like tangkay-tangkay lang. So, yon. And then, of course, bumili kami ng saging kasi it's been a while since we had fruits. And yung iba na to is we bought it on Chemist. So, yung mga our needs namin. And this one is binili namin sa Filipino store. Funny because Safeguard yung binili namin. Oh my God. And it smells so good ha, in fairness. Safeguard, like, ito talaga yung amoy nyo back then. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ito talaga. But I bought Safeguard kasi yung soap na ginagamit namin is like beauty soap, yung Dove. So sabi ko, iba yung Safeguard kasi this one is antibacterial and it's so, yeah. And yeah, I feel like we need this one. But this is, since it's antibacterial, I feel like this one is, I'm not sure though because this one is aloe vera. So I think hindi siya drying sa skin. I'm not sure though. Pero yeah, aside from the beauty soap that we use, at least meron gawin parang antibacterial ang cleansing soap. And dun nga sa loob, meron isang Asian store and nakakita rin kami ng mga stuff like eto, yung spaghetti sauce. Bumili kami para wala lang. Gusto lang namin. Cravings, gano'n. And so funny. Kasi dalawang Filipino store yung pinuntahan namin. Pero napabili talaga kami. O diba, pumunta ng Australia para mag-crave ng Filipino stuffs. And etong cheddar. Kasi iba yung cheese dito. And it's not, I don't know, hindi ko ma-explain. Pero iba yung cheese. I'm not sure if that's the taste of real cheese, pero this one, of course, yung Filipino cheese natin is one of the best lasa. And of course, we secured Pure Foods corned beef, which we really love. And then, ayun na nga, sabi ko nga is, pumunta kami sa isa pang Filipino store, right? Napabili kami ng ube, pandesal,
Puto.
Hindi lang puto.
Yan.
Oh, it's inside. Okay. And of course, hindi mawawala yung Happy Peanuts na my favorite. And wala silang pork, pero nag-secure na rin kami ng beef and chicken cubes from Knorr. Yes, and what else? Yun lang naman. And this one, kasi we are cooking or like sometimes gumagawa kami ng leche flan pero sa foil kasi namin siya siniskin. Kaya nung nakita namin, bumili na rin kami ng lanyera. Dalawa siya. And mura lang siya. And doon sa Footscray, I know for those people who visited Footscray already, I know na nakita niyo doon yung Filipino parang restaurant siya. And it really looks like karinderya in the Philippines. Like, kahit sa loob, oh my God. And nakita namin doon, marami silang tindang, actually yung ulam nila is karinderya talaga, yung vibe. Then, meron silang other na tinda, like cassava cake, biko, and etong kuchinta, which is kakainin namin ngayon. And yung puto, pork, diba? Marami kaming binili. Or this one is our snack for today. Ayun, and of course, hindi mawawala yung Eden cheese natin, sis. I miss this so much. Actually, meron din doon yung hinahanap ko na all-purpose cream ng Nestle, which is matagal ko nang hinahanap dito. Doon ko lang nakita. Pero medyo pricey siya. $10 yung isang box. So, I'm not sure kasi I think that's okay din. But for me, kasi kanina, nung nakita ko, it's kinda, sobrang mahal ganun. Pero I feel like kasi in the Philippines, it's mahal already. So, mahal na siya sa ang Nestle cream.
Yeah.
It's already mahal in the Philippines, kaya siguro $10 siya dito. So, ayun, eto na lang muna yung binili ko. So, ayun, eto yung mga napamili namin for today's grocery. And this is for 2 weeks or tatry namin pagkasya in 3 weeks kasi dalawa lang naman kami. And yeah, unahin na lang namin siguro yung mga gulay and stuff para hindi siya masira agad. But yeah, I'm so happy sa mga napamili namin. And yes, finally, magkakalaman na yung fridge namin. Kasi it's been a while since konti-konti lang yung binibili namin sa grocery. Kasi yun nga, we're expecting that we are going in the market. Pero yun na nga, we need to buy another cart, the trolley that we use. Kasi it's very convenient to have that cart. But yeah, nasira. Nasira siya sa dami ng pinamili namin. But yeah, we will need to secure one again. But yes, we will eat this one first, snacks. Kasi kanina pa yung last namin nakain. And this one is, I feel like iinitin ko siya. So there you go! Footscray Market, first time buy. First time buy, first time in the Footscray Market. Kuchinta! And I like it also if the topping is cheese. Good. Puto. When you're in the other countries, despite how good the food is in the country, it's nice food. Like, it's nice na balikan yung mga nakasanay natin sa Philippines. Right? And this one is ube pandesal.